How to solve Instagram application not opening. If any day you are an Instagram user and you're trying to open your Instagram application on your mobile device, but your Instagram application is not opening, it may be quite frustrating to you. But do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search section on your mobile device. After you go to the search section on your mobile device, you have to search Instagram out there. After you search Instagram out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the Instagram application for a while. After that, you have to go to the option of app information and tap on app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications and tap on notifications. You have to enable allow notification and allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back and go to the option of permissions and tap on permissions. After tapping on permission, you need to allow the permission to calendar, to call logs, to camera, to contacts, to location, to microphone, to notification, to phone, and to photos and videos. You also need to allow the permission to the nearby devices by tapping on allow. After that, you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to the option of set as default and tap on set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, you need to go to the option of storage and tap on storage. After tapping on storage, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of clear the cache and tap on clear the cache. After clearing down the cache, you have to go back and go to the option of app details in store and tap on app details in store. After tapping on app details in store, you can see an interface like this. Now if you see the option of update out there, you can update your very application there, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.